Okay, we have two locks we're going to open today. This is an IFAM that I received from Adrian in Spain. It's a little 4-pin lock, brass lock. He sent it to me unlocked without a key. Okay, it is locked, but I did impression a key for this lock. Works fine. Actually, I got two keys for it. So let's just open this one up, then we'll go to the next one. Okay, let's try the bottom of the keyway, and let's try this pick. Okay, a little bit of false set off pin 1. That pick's too thick, so we'll go to a different pick. Okay, there's pin 4. Okay, it's open. It's already open that quick. So that's the IFAM from Adrian in Spain. So that one is already open. So let's try this 4-pin Armalite with a Yale keyway. It does work. Okay, it is locked up. So let's put it in the vise. Okay, let's use top of the keyway, and let's start off with this pick. We're going to have to work off of this right hand side ledge or warding of the lock. Pin 1, 2, and 3. A little bit on pin 4 then. Oops, slipped off of it. Let's see if we can get back on it. Okay, let's try a different pick now. We'll try this pick. Maybe it's deep enough to set pin 4 in a moment. Okay, there's that deep false set that we were looking for. See if we can get pin 4 to set. Okay, it's going to take a deeper pick. See what we can do with this one. Okay, there it is, open. And that pin 4. So let's go ahead and disassemble it. See what kind of pins are in this lock. Yeah, I thought I'd get all my easy locks out of the way this week. Let's see if we can slide this out. Okay, all the pins are in the plug and working. Okay, pin 1 is serrated, pin 2 and 3 is serrated, and pin 4 is serrated. Okay, the plug is threaded and slightly countermilled on all 4 pins. Okay, let's check our top pins now. Okay, pin 1 is a serrated partial spool pin. Pin 2 is a flywheel type pin. Pin 3 is another serrated pin. Pin 4 is a like a spool, mushroom spool. Okay, all the holes in this lock are threaded. All 4 of them. See if we can get a little bit closer up. Okay, you can see the threading inside. Okay, all 4 are threaded. Okay, let's look at the other pins a little bit closer now. Alright, on pin 1, your bottom key pin is standard. There's a serrated upper pin. Key pin on number 2 is serrated, and then there was a spool with a flywheel type pin inserted in it. On 3 and 4, you have a serrated key pin and a serrated upper pin. On number 5 is also a serrated key pin and a mushroom type spool. Okay, that's what we have in this Armalite 4-pin with a Yale keyway. Please stay out of trouble, and please do not do anything illegal. And thank you again for watching. I appreciate it.